Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete recently deleted photos iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete all your recently deleted photos on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then scroll down the Photos page until you get to Utilities and Media type. Now, expand Utilities. Click on Recently Deleted. Now, you need to enter your passcode or confirm your Face ID to view the recently deleted album. Then you should see all your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. To delete all recently deleted, click on Select at top right. Click on the three dots, then click on Delete All. On iOS 18, once you click on the Select button at top right, you want to check All Items, and then click on Delete All at the bottom right. So on iOS 26 interface, this is what you need to do. Now go ahead and click on Delete from this iPhone. And then you should see all your recently deleted photos deleted. And that's it. So that's exactly how to delete recently deleted photos iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.